welcome back to Salt Crash Course. Today we come at you from the Baltic Sea. That's right. If you're wondering why you should study abroad in Lithuania, this is just one of the many reasons. But one question I want to tackle today is, what do I do about a cell phone plan in Lithuania? And that's a great question, and you have three main options. One, you can go like the pioneers and you can rough it without a cell phone plan. There's Wi-Fi accessible at so many public hotspots here in Klaipeda, in Lithuania in general, and of course on LCC's campus. Secondly, you can check with your cell provider, Verizon, Sprint, AT&T, and see if they offer an international plan. Some people in our study abroad cohort have gone with this option, but your provider tends to overcharge, especially for 4 months of exploration. Your third and final option, probably the most feasible and cost-effective, is going to be to buy a Lithuanian SIM card when you land in Vilnius. You can get about 6 gigabytes of data, 1,000 text messages, a couple hours of talk time for about €3. So you can just go with this and renew it as you need to. It'll give you a Lithuanian number. It probably makes the most sense out of all the options. That being said, there's no wrong way to go, whatever you feel comfortable with. I personally have gone without a cell plan using that Wi-Fi, and it's worked just fine. But that'll be for you to decide. Talk it through with your parents, and if you need more information, contact the CIE office, lcc.lt/study-abroad.